Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video, which is all about learning in Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, I'm going to show you something really cool that you can do with dictionaries. Let's get into the demo. I have already created a file with emoji-convert.py. So in this program, if you type a message called good morning like this, good morning with some smiley face, means after entering to that, it should give the smiley. Similarly, like if they entered sad morning with this sad smiley, means it should enter this, it should return this sad smiley. This is an application of using dictionary. So we can have a dictionary that will map these characters into the smiley faces. So let's go ahead and build the program. I'm just clearing this one. We start by getting input from the user, like input from the terminal by using the built-in function, input function, like built-in input function. I'm just using this greater than symbol as an indicator for the user to type the message. And I need some variable to get the message. So what I'm doing is like I make use of message, that's it. And then what I have to do is like I need to split this string, whatever the input I'm getting from the terminal, right? I need to split this string. So suppose if a user types you good morning, the smiley face means we want to break down into 3 words like good morning and then smiley face. So for that, what we can do, like we can use a split method in the string message dot split. Here you can pass a string as a pass a string. Here what is the string I am passing, like with a one space as a separator, that's it. Let's see what will happen when we are using the split method. I'm just storing it in a variable called words equal to, and then I'm just printing that words. Let's see what it is doing. I'm just running this program. I'm just typing good morning, the smiley face. See here, the split method, what is doing is like it is splitting the string and it will return the words in the list format. So with the help of this, we can go into iterate these words and we'll be matching this special character with the smiley. Now what we have to do is like we need to define the dictionary because we need to map this smiley with this smiley faces, with this special character with the smiley faces, right? For that, what I can do is like I can define a dictionary. The variable name is just emoji, and then the syntax is like curly braces. Here I need to define the key value pair, like for the smile faces I need to map here with the value. Here for the emojis, right, for this Windows keyboard you can press Windows key plus semicolon, so it will have this Windows key, the emoji keyboard. Here I am typing smile, so it is returning the smile over here, that's it. And similarly for sad, I'm just for this sad, what I'm doing is like again in the Windows keyboard you can press the Windows key plus semicolon, it will have this one, and here we have the sad command, sad smiley, that's it. And for Mac keyboard and all, right, what you have to do is like you need to use control command and space. Now what you have to do is like we use a split word, split command or split method, and we splitted the words the message into words, so we will be getting the list. Now we need to iterate these words like good morning and this special characters, and we need to map the special characters in this dictionary and we need to get this value. For that we need to use the loop, for loop, for word in words. I'm using the loop variable as a word, and this is the list we'll be getting after the split. Now what we need to do is like we need to check the each character whether it is there or not. For example, good morning and the special character is there or not in the emoji. For that, what we'll do is like we'll be using this emojis, the emoji dictionary dot get, because if you're directly using a square bracket to get the dictionary, if the key is not available, will get thrown out of the error. to be a safer side, we'll be using get. Like I'll be checking the word with the word. And also like we have one more option called will be passing default value. If it is matching means it should return the key. It should, if the key is matching means it should return the value. Otherwise, I want the default value itself. So I'm passing the word itself. And we need to print it in the output. For that, I need to define a output variable. So output equal to empty string. That's it. And I need to add it over here. Output. And using augment or cement operator, I'm just making over here. And then I need to print it with the empty space. That's it. Now let's see what will happen if I print the output. That's it. Now what we do is like we'll try to run this program. I'm just typing the message good morning with this smiley face. See here, it is getting a smiley face over here. Again, I'm running this one. I'm just typing sad morning with a sad smiley. See here, it is getting sad smiley over here. So as I said, right, the discussion itself, like dictionaries have a lot of use cases in the real-time application. Here I didn't do anything, just get the input from the terminal. I just use a split method and got the retrieve the words in the list, and from the list I'm just iterating each of the variable, and using the dictionary I'm just mapping the value and mapping the key and got the value. If I don't have any key over there, I just return the default value and then I just printed the output. So if you have any doubt in implementing this, just add in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you guys.